a place for beauty industry creatives looking to create impact, influence, and longevity. I'm your best friend in beauty, Akua Robinson, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some beginner makeup artist kit essentials. So if you didn't know, I am a makeup artist and I'm also a beauty educator. And I had a photographer, a local photographer here in the DC area, reach out to me and tell me that she wanted to add makeup artistry to the list of services that she offers to her clients. So I put together a package for her, and a part of that package included a beginner makeup artist kit. So I'm going to be showing you all of the items that I added to her beginner makeup artist kit, and just know that you don't have to spend a lot of money building a kit at all, because I spent less than $600, and I'm going to be sharing with you my grand total at the end of this video. So if you want to know all of the essential items that you need to add to a beginner makeup artist kit, then keep on watching, because I am taking you behind the scenes as I build her kit. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so this is the makeup kit. I got this from Amazon. Really cute, compact, has these little compartments inside. If you can see it, I will leave the link down below for where the exact actual kit, but this is what it looks like. It also has little top portion. I know this might sound terrible, but I will leave pictures for you to actually see this kit. But this is the kit that I got her, and I'm going to show you what is going to go inside of this kit. So starting off first, everything is not pictured or everything is not here. So let's start off with skin prep first. So got some wipes, some cleansing wipes from Neutrogena. We got the Mario Badescu toner with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. We got some moisturizer from Kiehl's. And my nails look terrible, so I'm not going to get too close to the camera, but Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream Moisturizer. We got some primer from NYX. We got the Angel Veil and the Shine Killer. Also some setting spray. We have some setting spray from Morphe. Also got some 70% alcohol for sanitation and to help, clean the kit, and a little bottle for it to go with. Also, I have some hand sanitizer that is not on the table right now, but that will also go in the kit. What else? Let's move on to what's right here. So she will get a spatula and mixing palette. Also got her these sponges from Real Technique. So it comes with 2 in the pack. And then I also want her to try out my favorite sponge, which is the Esam Pro Finishing Sponge. Got that for her as well. And I'm pretty much just grabbing what I can see right now. This is like all the miscellaneous stuff. Got some Alcone sponges, because this is what I use for makeup application. Got some eyebrow shapers. These little thingies right here. I like to keep those in my kit to do eyebrows. These Esam Beauty cotton swabs. Really good for detail work and cleaning up things. Got some little scissors to cut lashes. Got this, what is this? Pencil sharpener. What else? Little Kleenex, because sometimes I have to blot the foundation, so put that in there as well. Brushes. So this is one of my favorite brushes from Real Techniques. So I picked up one of those for her. I love that brush for like setting under the eye and everything. Got these brushes right here from Morphe. And this one is, which one is this? M421 brush. Got the M513, which is a round blender brush. Got the M427, which is a tapered duo blush brush. Really nice. And this one is the M506 tapered mini blending brush. I love small brushes in my kit. I love small brushes. And then I got this this little kit, this brush set from BH Cosmetics. All of this I got at Ulta. This little pile right here. Also gonna gift her a brush shampoo. I don't know if you can see that, but it's from Beauty and Bubbles. I love their brush cleaner. It's called Clean Tings. This is what I personally use to clean my brushes with. Then I also have these lash applicators in here. Let me open one so you can see what it looks like. But it's from a company called The Great Lash. But little lash applicator. Hands are so ashy. Oh my goodness. Anywho. And then what else? So foundation. So as far as foundation, I'm giving her a view set of Black Opal foundation. So that is not here on the table. I actually just finished depotting them, so they're downstairs. I'm also going to depot the Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover foundation. So this is like the entire line right here. In here, but they come in these tubes, so all of these will be going in a view set as well for her to condense. And then as far as complexion goes, again, she will be getting all of the Iman luxury press powders. So there are 6 of them. It's 4 pictured here, waiting for 2 more to come in the mail. But it is sand, light medium, clay medium dark, and earth medium that I have right here. So she'll be getting that. Got her little color corrector. This is like the most commonly used one, the orange one. And then Danessa Myricks has one in here that's like a little bit more of a peachy color. So color corrector. Then she also get the power bronzers from Danessa Myricks Beauty in the shades light, medium, and deep. And this is the container that it comes in. So a lot of this stuff I'm not going to open because I want to give her the satisfaction of like opening her own stuff in her kit. That's like the most exciting part. Also got this highlighter palette from, what is this brand called? Makeup Revolution. I thought it was cute. I've never tried it before personally, but I did want her to have like a highlighter palette instead of just buying like individual ones. Also not pictured is a blush palette. I will leave a picture of what it looks like, but the Theatrical Rouge palette from Ben Nye, that's what I use in my kit personally, and I love it. And then moving on to eyes, I did get her some disposable mascara wands. Got these in like a 300-piece set from Amazon, so I'm going to keep these and she'll get the other 150. Also for the eyes, she will be getting the Mented Everyday Eyeshadow Palette. And this is what the shades look like on the back. But I love this palette. I have hit pan several times on this palette personally. Also, Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics. I love this palette because of the colors. All the beautiful colors. And they're actually really pigmented and they work. So that's why I love this palette. I used to teach with this palette at Bennett. So love this palette. Then also 2 eye pencils. One is black, one is brown from Essence Beauty. I use that in my kit as well. They work. Get that from Ulta. L'Oreal Voluminous. The Black is Black mascara. Let's see. Brow pencils from NYX. I have 3 of them here. I have the shades Chocolate, Espresso, and Taupe. So she will be getting these. Also the NYX eyeshadow primer. This is the one that's like the flesh tone. Yes, again, the skin tone color. That one. And then as far as eyes go too, some clear mascara, some clear brow gel for the brows. The Kiss lash adhesive. This one is my favorite. So stop putting hair glue on your lashes if you're doing that. Get you a good lash glue that actually works, okay? Also, this pack of lashes, the Kiss 06, the IMV 06, so wispy. Love these. I use these a lot. I use the 06 and the 08 a lot in my kit. And then as far as lips goes, I got her 3 of the Mented Cosmetics nude lipsticks. I got her the shades, let me see, where is the shade? So I got her the shades Peach Please, Pretty in Pink, and also Dope Taupe lipsticks. And then just a regular clear lip gloss. This one is from Ruby Kisses. Yeah, Ruby Kisses by Kiss at the beauty supply store. I actually have this exact same one in my kit. Very good gloss, very affordable. I got her some lip pencils, and for some reason shopping in store for lip pencils, oh my gosh, like the browns has been like almost non-existent. But I got her 4 lip pencils to start off with. I got her cappuccino, brown, and a deep purple from NYX. These 3. I don't know if you can see the colors. And then I also got her a dark brown one from Nika K Cosmetics. That's what I could find at the beauty supply store at the time. And then also this really pretty gloss from Milani in the shade Gold Dust. Also Sweet Pepper from Black Radiance, a really pretty light pink gloss. And then a pink lipstick from Stila in the shade I cannot pronounce, Etoile. I don't know, I'll put it on the screen or down in the description. But really pretty pink lipstick. And then I also got her a red and a berry lipstick from Milani as well. So that is about it, I believe, for the beginner makeup kit. All of these things will be functional. Like, she can go out and take clients right now. Also, the other thing that is not here too is I got her the Ket Cosmetics translucent powder. So all of these things here, she can like really start doing like full faces with this kit. So if you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, this is what is going inside of this beginner makeup kit. And I will show you what it looks like when everything is all packed up inside of here, alright? Okay, so everything that was just out on the table is now inside of the kit. So this is what it looks like. And I forgot to mention that these dividers are actually adjustable. You can take them out and customize the size however you need it. But this is just how I have it right now. It's not completely like super duper organized, but I'm going to allow her to, you know, organize it the way that she wants, however it makes sense for her. But I have like the lip stuff right here, sponges, all of the lash items. So the lashes, the scissors, the tweezers, the glue, the eye pencils are here, and the tissue. I have the wipes here, and this is what the foundation looks like. The black opal foundations are in here. This is what her view set would look like with the Danessa Myricks foundation. This is my personal one from my kit. But yeah, everything is here. And then this top part holds, you know, the brushes and everything. And I put the eyeshadow palettes inside of this little pouch right here. And then the top part of the kit has all of the skin prep and the, what is this thing called? The palette and everything like that in there. So yeah, and the extra brushes are here so they can go, you know, in here. I'll let her open them herself. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I think I'm going to get this kit for myself. And it also comes with a crossbody strap. So look at that, a beginner makeup artist kit. Only thing that is missing is the blush and the powder, but she'll get that soon enough. So here are the other items that I was waiting to arrive in the mail to add to her kit. We have the Ben Nye Theatrical Rouge palette, also the Iman Luxury Pressed Powders in Earth Dark and Earth Deep, the Lucas Paw Paw ointment. I like to use that to moisturize the lip. I forgot to mention that earlier in the skin prep process. And then I also got her the Alcone, the black Alcone cream or gel liner, because that thing does not budge at all. And then you also see the finished product of the depotted Danessa Myricks Vision Cream foundations, and the case that is in is called a View Set, and this one in particular is the View Set Tahiti. And then the one that I have her black opal foundations in is the View Set Viking Jack. So make sure you check the description for a list of all of these items and where I purchased them from. Also, here's some pictures of how my student decided to organize her kit when she had everything out of the boxes and everything. And then I also showed her how to set up her kit for her clients so that she's efficient and it also looks professional.
So I spent less than $600 building this beginner makeup artist kit for my student, and I honestly had so much fun doing all this makeup shopping, but I told you I was going to share with you the grand total at the end of this video. So I actually spent $586.46 building this kit, and that was the kit included, the actual bag. And like I said, you don't have to spend a lot of money building a makeup artist kit. If you have a birthday coming up or a special holidays, I would ask for gift cards to like Ulta, Sephora, MAC, wherever you shop for makeup, to get some of these items. Also, go in half on things that could be shared. So what I used to do, especially for like foundations and like certain loose powders and everything, I would go half with a friend. So if you have another friend that's a makeup artist or someone else that's building a beginner kit, for example, the Danessa Myricks foundations are $30, right? So you all can buy the entire line, you know, go half on it together and just, you know, split it up, pump them out, depot them, and there you have it. So if you are building a beginner makeup artist kit, I hope that this was helpful. If you have any comments or concerns, just leave me a comment down below or just send me a message on social media and I'll get back to you. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you are a beginner makeup artist, I hope that this gave you an idea of the essential items that you need to have in your beginner makeup artist kit. And welcome to the beauty industry. I hope that you have a great time and just you have a wonderful experience and have fun with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Friendsinbeauty here on YouTube if you haven't already. And also follow Friendsinbeauty on all social media platforms at Friendsinbeauty. Follow me on my personal page, Akua Robinson. And if you are a friend in beauty, you have to stay connected, okay? Join us in the Friendsinbeauty Facebook community. We will be waiting for you over there, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.